Hi Julie, I just figured the best way to give you a report is just create a video for you so you could just follow through. Okay, so the Twitter issue, I went ahead and I corrected the code. If you click on the Twitter now, it's taking you to Julie M Interiors for your Twitter page, so that's fixed. Now, the other thing, the backup plugin stopped working, so this could be an issue. I went ahead and I tried to do one, and yes, I was getting errors too. So we know that we had a core update. It looks like we can go ahead and simply download a database backup by clicking right here. That seems like it would work. Right, let me go ahead and select new here, just like that. Where'd you go? There you are. Okay, and click save. And we can see that it's downloading the database, and it's probably quite a big database. It's a great way to download that. The other thing too is I noticed that whenever you download it, it gets emailed to you. Now, of course, your website, if you're like downloading all the files, usually like emails are limited to 10 megabytes. So what you would want to do is download it to a folder on your website, but there's a better way to do that, and it's with the FileZilla program. Let me show you this little program here. It's a free way to download all the files from your server. Now this does not download your database, so that's good that you have that here for your database. But what you would do is you would set up an FTP, select your host name, username, and password and port, and then you could download it that way. That's probably the safest way to download your entire website to your computer, so you can always keep a backup of it. The spam comments I got rid of. So if you look at these comments here, I want to show you something about that too. You see we have 106 pending here. So this right here doesn't look like a spam comment. It looks like something that somebody's asking you advice on. But if you notice, all these are from your website. These are the trackbacks. So these are probably internal links on your website that I assume that you link to, and these are the posts. So you're linking to other ones, and this is letting you know that there's a trackback on the site, and that's what's that's part of your internal link strategy structure. And so that's you probably want to approve them and allow them for the the follow through. I'll leave that up to you. Maybe you don't want to approve it for some reason or another, but I can't see any issues in spamming these. In fact, you don't want to spam these at all because it's coming from your website. So if you give a post another link, okay, and you're linking to another post, like let's say that this was a post, you see it's going to another part of your website, you don't want to spam that. So, okay. So that's the other thing, the comments, and I updated all of your plugins here, and I updated your core files for your Genesis theme because it had an update, and so that's done as well. Okay, then you had a question on Jetpack. Jetpack is a great addition for WordPress, but basically what you would do is connect this to WordPress, okay, and you should have a WordPress login. I saw somewhere online here. Let me see if I can find it. Julie Montgomery Interiors. Looks like you already have a WordPress setup. I thought I saw if I can't find it here real quick, but it was a WordPress.com. So what you would do is you would connect this to WordPress. Jetpack is made by WordPress. It's a great plugin. And then you can take advantage of all these different things. WordPress stats. You can connect to your social network site. So that whenever you publish a post or a page, it'll go out to your social networks. Like, let me give you an example of this in action here. Let's see. Go to one of my, maybe my Google Website Pro site. Okay, so we see here that this was a post made on Google Website Pro, one of my other websites. And anytime I make a post within my dashboard, it broadcasts to all my social network platforms: Facebook, Path, Tumblr, those different social network platforms. So this is for my school, the Web Development Strategy course, and so we learn all this in the school as well. But where you just make one post, and as you make the post, here let me let me log into my personal website, maximusmccullough.com, just so I could show you how it works. Okay, now this site isn't too old. I don't do too much with it, but I did link it to my social network platforms. So if I click Add New here, okay, and you see how this publicize. I can publicize to my personal Facebook, Maximus McCullough, or my Twitter, my personal Twitter page. You know, anytime I make a post, it will automatically broadcast to those platforms as well. You could add up 3 more: Path, Tumblr, and LinkedIn as well. So it's a great plugin to have, and that operates off this Jetpack Publicize. It also has its own share buttons, like buttons, and so on and so forth. And there's a lot of other different things like spelling a grammar, you know, Gravatar hover cards, and many different things that you can take advantage of. So you can even use WordPress to host your images to display them on your blog. And all that is just by connecting to a WordPress.com. If you connect this site to a WordPress.com, if you don't have one and you need an account, you just select Need an Account, and then you authorize Jetpack on your self-hosted WordPress. So it's a great thing to have. If you want me to, I could set that up for you, but I wanted to tell you what it does first. All right. The SEO plugin. Yes, this is a great plugin for search engine optimization. Let me go to one of your last posts, and I'll kind of show you a little bit, give you a rundown of how it works. Okay, so here's one of your posts about outlet browsing bar designs, Fangate. So if you come down here, I notice that you're not using it, but so let's say that Ballard Designs. Maybe Ballard Designs was our keyword, okay? Just for an example, we would paste that in there, paste this plain text, and we could see, oh, my focus keyword, Ballard Designs, okay? And it'll give us, you know, suggestions. But we can see here that our article, it was found in our article heading, our page title, our page URL, our content, and so on. And then if we wanted to change the meta description, that's found right here, you could change it. So that's another good way, because this is what's going to be shown in the search engines, Google, Bing, Yahoo, whenever people type in that Ballard Designs. Okay, so you could change this around, you know, to try to get more attention in the search engines. Okay, and there's some other very cool things about this. If we would go to the social thing, the social tab here, you could target Facebook users, like, hey, Facebook people, or whatever. Here down you can say, hey Google Plus people, okay, and try to target those people. You learn all about this in the Web Development Strategy course that I offer as well, if you're interested in learning more how to you know, get your website indexed in the search engines better. So, but anyway, you'll you know, after you do all this stuff, you'll get the, you know, the SEO check. It'll give you a page analysis. We see here that the keyword was not set. That's because you have to click update here in order for it to register, because Yoast will operate off of these tags, whatever tags that you have up here, and it'll take the information from those tags and create a strategy for you. Or help you create a strategy on utilizing your keyword phrase. Okay? If you're interested in taking the course, let me know. It's an 8-week course. We do this virtually too. The next course will begin on April 2nd. Let me go ahead and focus in on here. April 2nd, and we're going to start doing these courses from 10 to noon. And they're virtual. We start with a PowerPoint, then a question and answer. I build it from the ground up, so you know everything about URLs using the Yoast plugin and whatnot. But I'll send you some other videos with this video, so I could show you, and links to my website on how you could be indexed better. I hope this has been informative for you. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. Thanks. Bye.